To make the special paint, mix white paint and glue together. To make the spider web, start drawing with the glue some intersecting lines onto a plastic sheet. Now draw the curved lines between each of the intersecting lines. Allow the glue to completely dry before removing from the plastic sheet. It took ours about 24 hours to dry, so please be patient. Now carefully remove from the plastic sheet. This is what it looks like once removed. It is best to stick the cling onto a glass surface. We stuck ours onto a window to make a cute Halloween decoration.